Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep Wrangler ride smoother. Let's start with tire pressure, a simple yet crucial factor. Properly inflated tires are key to a comfortable ride. Overinflated tires can make your Jeep feel stiff and bouncy, while underinflated ones can negatively impact handling and fuel economy. Always check your owner's manual or the sticker on your driver's side door jamb for the recommended pressure, typically around 30 to 35 psi for daily driving. Next, let's talk about your suspension system. Upgrading your shocks and springs can dramatically improve your Wrangler's ride quality. Many aftermarket shocks are specifically engineered to absorb bumps more effectively, providing a much smoother experience on various terrains. Consider a quality lift kit that includes well-tuned shocks and springs, as this can offer both improved ground clearance and a more comfortable daily drive. Progressive rate springs are also an excellent option for enhanced compliance. Now, let's consider your sway bars and bushings. While sway bars are essential for stability, quick disconnect links can be beneficial for off-road articulation, allowing your suspension to move more freely. For on-road comfort, softer sway bar bushings can help absorb road imperfections, leading to a less jarring ride. If your bushings are old or worn, replacing them with new polyurethane ones can eliminate squeaks and improve overall ride quality and control, making a noticeable difference. Finally, let's discuss weight distribution and load management. How you load your Jeep significantly affects its ride. Distribute cargo evenly to maintain proper balance and prevent one side from sagging. Excessive weight can overwork your suspension, leading to a harsher ride and reduced handling. Try to remove any unnecessary items you're carrying around. For those who frequently haul heavy loads, adding airbags or helper springs can provide additional support and maintain a smoother, more controlled ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.